My name is Adrian Shaw and I'm assistant coach at Glamorgan Cricket. I'm very much looking forward to the Hampshire and the Lancashire games here. It's been a long time since we've had county cricket at Neath, and the area is steeped in county cricket history really, and I think a lot of people, especially of a certain age, have grown up with that. It's just a fantastic thing to see us coming back to Neath to play some county cricket here. For Glamorgan to have this opportunity to play in my local town is something to cherish really, and something to very much look forward to. I'm sure it'll be a very good crowd here for both games with the amount of cricket we've had here in the past, and we've got two massive clubs coming here, so I'm sure Lancashire especially will bring a good contingent of their own supporters, and I'm sure Hampshire will bring a few as well, so let's keep our fingers crossed for some good weather. Neath and Batolva's got a fantastic history of sport. I've always lived in the area. It's a fantastically strong area for sport, and it has got a real strong cultural background, and there's a lot of ties that link people within the area to the sporting clubs, which is paramount, especially in the modern world where people are losing connections with their clubs. And whatever sport it is, that connection between the individuals and the next generations coming through is vitally important to communities as well. Well, I grew up with a club called Sir Gaerhirfryn, which is about 2 miles up the road, till I was about 16. So my formative years were there. I then spent most of my playing career as a pro for Britain Ferry Steel. And then when I was away from Glamorgan for a couple of years, I was a director of cricket here at Neath. So the three main clubs in the Neath area all hold a place very close to my heart really, and I'm very fond of all of them.